How to set up a new connection or network. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your settings, then go to connections. Then select which connection you want to add. If it is a Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or a mobile hotspot or a VPN. So in order to add Wi-Fi, simply go to Wi-Fi and scroll all the way down. You will see the option of add network. If it is a Bluetooth, simply go to the Bluetooth section and it will show all the Bluetooth devices that are available. But if it is a VPN, go to more connection settings, go to VPN and simply tap on the three dot and add a VPN network. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.